Welcome to our subject, Industrial Motor Control. Today, I will discuss with you on how to connect an indicating lamps. Again, indicating lamps are very important because this is the one that will let you know if the motor is in operation, if the motor is in trouble, and at the same time, if there is already power in the system. Now, I'm not, you can have, because what we are going to do here is we will only connect indicating lamps in the control circuit. So, we will not have the power circuit here. Okay? The same power circuit. So, I have the diagram. I'll try to look at this. I will introduce this one first. So, you have your overload contact. You have your stop button. You have your push button forward. And you have your push button reverse. You have your interlock here, and then you have your holding coil for reverse, and then holding coil for forward. Okay, you have your forward, and then you have your reverse, and then this is the lamp intended for the reverse, and then you have also the lamp here intended for the forward, and then you have also here the power lamp. No, when you on the circuit breaker, immediately the power lamp will light, meaning to say that there is already the circuit, or there is already power in the circuit, and then the system is already ready to energize. And then we have the trip lamp. Okay, so you have the overload contact, the normally open and the normally close. Of course, this is your 95, the common. This is your 96, and this is your 98 door. So don't even forget that. Okay, so when I press the button, or rather I will on the circuit breaker, because this one and this one are connected parallel to line 1 and line 2 in the power circuit. So when I on the circuit breaker, automatically the power lamp will light. Look at this. Here. So this is already energized, so the current will pass through here. Like that. So there is a complete path. So the power now is lighting. But this time, I put here an normally closed auxiliary contact from forward and reverse, because our intention here, when the motor is running either is forward or reverse, only the load lamp will light, the power lamp is off. So the power lamp is only intended when you on the circuit the circuit breaker. Okay, so when I press the button here, the current will pass through here. So what will happen to this? So this one is energized, considering that the lamp here is connected parallel. At the same time, the lamp will light, and this will open because this is energized. So the power lamp is off. Okay. Now, if you will on also, you off, then this will close. Power lamp is lighting. You will reverse. I will on this one. Then the current will pass through here. This is closed. Then this is energized. And then the reverse lamp is connected parallel to your reverse holding coil. So the lamp is now lighting. So you will know that the motor is running in reverse direction. Then of course, if you will off, when you off it, this will go back to normal position. Then the power lamp will light. So while the motor is running either forward or reverse, then there is an overload. Then there is a trip here. Okay, so this will open and this will close. So since this is already open, so there is no current flowing to this circuit here, in this circuit here. Why? Because this is already open. Because the contact of your overload relay is transferred to normally closed. Normally open. So the current now, so the trip lamp now is lighting. So you will know that the motor is overloaded. So what you will do, try to check the overload, remove the too much load, and then reset the button. So when you reset the button, this contact here in your overload will go back to normal position, and then the power lamp now is lighting. So that is on how to connect an indicating lamps in your forward reverse magnetic starter. This can be used in 3-phase and in single-phase motor. Okay, so that is it. Now, that is for indicating lamps. So you have here the power, you have here for the forward, you have here for the reverse, and you have here for the trip. So this is already complete. So what is only lacking here actually is the connections. But these are the materials that you will be using in connecting a forward reverse 3-phase or single phase having an indicating lamps. That's very simple. Okay? Now, there are still so many diagrams in this forward reverse. I will introduce to you the forward reverse jog operation. Okay. Then I will also give you forward reverse having a dynamic brake. Okay. Then I will also give you forward reverse in different locations. Meaning to say, you can on and off in different locations. So these are the incoming diagrams that I'm going to give you. But we have still time. I will give you the forward reverse in 2 locations. And then the rest will be in the next video. Okay, here is the diagram for forward reverse magnetic starter controlled in different locations. But this time I am only giving you the diagram using 2 push buttons, forward, reverse. So you will use 2 of this. There will be 2 forward, 2 reverse, and 2 off button. So this is 1 location. There is also another location. In the previous lessons, particularly in the direct online, but it's other one direction, I already introduced to you the control into locations. But this time, this is 3-phase. So I will introduce first. So you have here the off 1, you have the off 2. Of course, you have still the OLC, the overlay contact. Then you have the maintaining contact of the forward. Then you have the forward 1, forward 2. You need to say forward push button, reverse, forward push button 2. And then we have all the forward, the reverse 1. Then you have also the reverse 2 push button. Then you have your maintaining contact. Then you have your impeller lock here. And then you have your magnetic holding coil. Okay? So you have line 2. So, the same. If that is normally closed, meaning to say off button will be always connected in series, and all the normally open will be connected in parallel. That is why this is 2 location for forward, so we connect the 2 push button forward in parallel. Look at that. And then we have also here normally open for reverse, we connect that in parallel. You have 1 maintaining contact. Here we have also 1 maintaining contact. And then this is the control circuit of your forward reverse magnetic starter controlled in different locations. So if you intend to have 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, all the off button will be connected in series. All the normally open for forward and reverse will be connected in what? In parallel. Very simple. The same power circuit that we are using here. So if you will connect that in actual, if you will connect that in actual, of course, you will use these lamps and then with the motors to complete the power and the control circuit for 3-phase. So the same connections for single phase. Because what is the difference here is only the power circuit. Okay? So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you, and God bless us all.